Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick little review on this table light NG01 bar from the Neewer brand. Just got this in the mail, so I'm excited to show you guys. I'm a photographer, so I get on a lot of meetings and things like that, so I need something like this to be able to light myself up. Okay guys, so I have my little setup here. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put it together here. You piece it at the bottom here, and then what's cool about it is that you can actually make it longer or shorter, however you want it. So I have my computer here, and so I would have it a little bit shorter here. And what's cool about this light is it has two different sides. So first of all, you can move it up or down, and it also has this side here. And let me show you all the different modes. If you want to use it manually, you can switch the modes to warm and different colors. So this light is actually really great if you are especially like a streamer or you do a lot of live videos. It's just a great little backlight. So one of my favorite features is that there's an app for it, and so you can actually switch all the different modes. You know, here's all the different colors to the light. It literally has everything. And then this is the basic, which is the other side. And then this is the plain one, which is this side. And so again, with the app, I can shift modes, whether I want it bright, yellow, whatever works for me. So of course I would be using it for my work things. And even to just have this as a backlight to something or a night light is great. One of the things that I really like about this light is it has the color temperatures range from 2700 K to 700 Kelvin. It has a plastic metal piece, which, you know, if it falls in any way, it's not going to break on you. It has over 50 different dynamic scenes and different colors that you can use, and you can sync music to it. The other thing that's really cool about this, it does have a smart AI lighting control feature as well. And then you can actually place the light beam this way as well. So you can see all the different colors, and then you can make it all the way blue as well. Or if you just want subtle lighting, not too harsh, you can bring down the tone.